Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Ben from shouldigetit.com, and in this video I want to tell you guys about everything you need to know from this new swipe keyboard in iOS 13. So the first thing is you can still use the one-handed keyboard. So to access this, what you're going to do is hold on the little world emoji icon, and then you can go to just right-handed or left-handed typing, and then you can swipe. So to swipe, all you have to do is literally put your finger on the first letter of the word and swipe over every letter that you would type. So let's say we want to type keyboard, so we would go K-E, well, you can't hold, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, and the word keyboard is going to show up. So it's super easy, and it should automatically be enabled once you've updated your phone to iOS 13. Now, when you hit the erase button, it's going to erase the entire word. If you wanted to just erase the last letter, you go into Settings, and then we're going to go to General, Keyboard, and disable Delete Slide to Type by Word. So now if I wrote the word keyboard and then hit the erase, it would just delete the last letter. So that is how you change that. If you wanted to disable the entire keyboard from sliding to type, if you really don't like this feature, then all you're going to do is go to the same settings menu and turn off slide to type, and now you'll see we can't slide. It just goes back to the regular version. Now I want to show you a couple of other things. So first off, let's see how you can type emojis. So emojis are really easy. Let's say you do smile, and then you'll see that a couple of smiling emojis show up here. If I write the word camera, then different cameras show up. If that's not working for you, what you're going to want to do is write a random sentence. Okay, so we wrote that with a few words, and then we're just going to go into the emojis and just select about 15 emojis or so. And trust me guys, this is going to work on your phone. It worked for me on my iPhone 11s. Then you're going to delete the emojis, and when you go back, and now let's say you type the word pizza, you'll get the pizza emoji. So if they weren't showing up before, try that method. It should work for you. Now, a couple of other things is if you want, you can still swipe and tap at the same time. So you can say this, and then let's say we wanted to type is, we can do that, and you don't have to hit the space bar between the words. You'll notice in my first video, I was hitting the space bar, but you can just lift between each word. And you'll see the more you use predictive text and the more you correct it, the better it'll get. So if you really want to use this, you have to be using it for a while. Of course, you can still use dictation, you can still type your emojis, all that stuff. And if you wanted to move the cursor, since now it'll think you're swiping, what you want to do is hold your finger over the space bar and you can move your words just like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Yes, Android had it first, I know, but we've got more videos coming on the channel of course, the iPhone 11, and we got the big boy, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.